I think, they're two distinct markets. So our domestic market, really what we do, it's a highly competitive environment. And I think for us, it's all about service delivery. We oversee both the transactional banking requirements and the lending requirements for our domestic customers. The expectations, I would say, of our domestic client base is one which we have the ability to be competitive relative to our other banking peers. But then more importantly, I would say it's actually about relationship and it's about service delivery, which is critical. On the international side, it's very different. We really look to try and build the business from two primary markets. One is Africa and the other one is India. The way that we tap into those markets is that we've got a South African rep office. When you look at Mauritius, you've got to compare it to other frameworks out there. So other, offshore jurisdictions and what they offer. I think the compelling thing for international companies to come through this market is, one, the flexibility of the market. So I touched on that previously, which is around exchange control, no exchange controls, double tax treaty agreements. So when you add all of those things up, there's significant fiscal benefits, I would say, for those companies to come through this framework. The other thing is that, Mauritius is really made up of a highly liquid market. So when you come into here as a multinational company, you have a multitude of institutions to deal with to help you support the growth of that business in this framework. And then when it comes to banking institutions like ourselves, you lock on with a partnership. I think at the end of the day, that, and this is what we're all about, is really building partnerships with our clients in terms of understanding their businesses, understanding their capital requirements, and then stripping down that capital requirement and finding out what is the most effective solution that we can offer. We're a fairly niche bank, we're a fairly niche player in the market, and I think that really speaks to our competitive advantage in many senses, because what that allows us to do is to be more flexible in terms of our engagement with clients. The other thing that really strikes me, I think, is this entrepreneurial spirit that is part of the DNA, so to speak. I think this has been in place since the bank was founded in 2007, and that entrepreneurial spirit is really a core fundamental as to how we engage with our clients. So a combination of being niche, boutique, entrepreneurial, and then I think the fourth element for me would be the time that we spend with our clients to try and understand their business and listen to them, really then adds up to something which we see as being bank different.